Hello my lovely souls. So today in this tapping video we are going to tap into supreme confidence of feeling to become relentless. So I want you all to get into that sensation when you went through that lack of confidence in yourself, experiencing that anxiety, fear of rejection, or maybe that feeling of I can't do it. Just dive deeper into that emotion. Now rate the intensity of your emotion from 1 to 10, from 1 being the lowest and 10 being the highest. So first we will go with round number 1, where we'll be acknowledging the lack of self-confidence in us. So we'll start with the karate chop. Even though I struggle with self-confidence when engaging with my audience, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I feel so insecure when I have to speak in public, I still completely love and accept myself. Even though I doubt my abilities and fear judgment when speaking in public, I choose to honor my feeling and trust in my potential. Even though the thought of speaking in front of others fills me with anxiety, I'm open to acknowledging my insecurities and releasing them with love and compassion. We'll go with round number 1. I feel so insecure when I have to speak in public. I doubt myself and my abilities. What if they don't like what I have to say? I'm afraid of being judged or rejected. This fear of speaking up is holding me back. I don't feel confident enough to engage with my audience, and it's overwhelming me. Relax, take a deep breath. Now we will move with round number 2, where we will be embracing the self-acceptance and courage. So we'll go with the meridian points. Even though I have this fear of speaking in front of others, I am willing to embrace my imperfection and grow from them. I choose to release my fear of judgment. I am worthy of expressing myself authentically. I trust in my abilities to engage with my audience. I am deserving of love and acceptance no matter what. I choose to step into my power and speak with confidence. I embrace the courage within me. I am ready to share my message with the world. Take a deep breath. Exhale fully and feel a sense of empowerment washing over you. Now we'll go with the final round. I release any remaining doubt and fear. I am confident in my ability to captivate my audience. I speak with clarity and conviction. I am a powerful and engaging communicator. I embrace the opportunity to connect with others. My words have value and I share them fearlessly. I am confident and courageous and ready to shine. Take a deep breath. Exhale fully and feel a sense of empowerment and connection flowing through you. Trust in yourself and your ability to engage with your audience with confidence and authenticity. Thank you for tuning in. Have a great day.